According to the Pan American Health Organization, more than 600,000 Guyanese stand the risk of contracting filariasis, which is irreversible and incurable if not detected early. Guyana, however, aims to join 3 other Caribbean countries in eradicating the disease by expanding its coverage to include the entire country. Previously, the campaign had been focused on in regions 3, 4, 5, and 10. According to the Deputy Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Karen Boyle, Guyana is still behind its target to eliminate the disease. In fact, Guyana would need more than 3 years before it can fully eradicate the disease. The ministry, however, is proposing an increase in the dosage given to persons during its mass drug administration exercise.
The strategy that we have available to us is to implement a triple drug therapy, ivermectin, diethylcarbamazine, and albendazole. And with that triple drug therapy, we'll have 2 years. So if we start this year, we have this year and 2020. And if we manage to reach over 80% coverage, we could be eligible for elimination. In this part of the world, Costa Rica, Suriname, and Trinidad were previously on that list of countries endemic for lymphatic filariasis, and they no longer are.
But with an increase in dosage, there are concerns about whether it will have any severe side effects to those who will be taking the more than half a dozen pills annually. Dr. Boyle explained that studies have proven quite contrarily, especially since the dosage will be administered according to a person's height.
The side effects are pretty similar to the DA. So if you're not actually carrying the microfilaria worm, the side effects are minimal, but you may have nausea, headaches. If you actually have the worm, then you may have a little bit more in terms of fever, vomiting, and that sort of thing. But the side effects are really not severe. But you may have more if you actually have the worms. So as the worms are dying inside of you, it may cause a reaction like the fever and so on.
When the first mass drug administration was launched, several persons, including children, complained of experiencing a number of side effects, including vomiting and nausea. Dr. Boyle explained that these side effects have been noted and recorded by the health authorities.
We do report side effects. We have been gathering that information, and my understanding is not every country has been doing that, but Guyana has been lauded for actually taking the time to make sure we do document. They have not been many, as I mentioned, and they've all been very mild side effects so far. And well, we make annual reports. Every program, every health program in the ministry has to do annual reports.
Lymphatic filariasis, also known as elephantitis, is a parasitic infection caused by the Wucheria bancrofti, Brugia malayi, and Brugia timori nematode worms transmitted to humans through the bite of an infected Aedes culex, Anopheles, and Mansonia mosquitoes. The disease targets the body's lymphatic system. Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.